Dividing rational numbers with decimals. So with dividing rational numbers, we don't really have to do much except we can never have a decimal divisor. So the number that is outside of the house is called the divisor. The number inside the house is called the dividend. And the number, the answer to a division problem, is called the quotient. Alright, so the most important thing is to move however many places it takes to make the divisor a whole number. You have to do the same thing to the dividend. Also, if you remember our rules for integers, if it's the same, it's positive. If they're different, it is negative. Or if there's an odd amount, there's negative. If there's an even amount, it's positive. Let's take a look at number 1. The number on the left is going to be our dividend. So we're going to have 36 hundredths inside the house. 4 hundredths is going to go outside the house. If you want to go ahead and look at the signs, you can. They are different. So the answer will be negative. Or there is an odd amount of signs. We're going to have to hop this over 2 places in the divisor. Therefore, we're going to have to hop it over 2 places in the dividend. So now it just becomes 36 divided by 4. 4 can go into 36 9 times. So we get 9. And it is going to be negative 9. Let's take a look at number 2. This is going to go in the dividend. This is going to go in the divisor. The signs are the same, so it's going to be positive, or they are an even amount. We're going to hop the divisor over once, so we're going to hop the dividend over once. So we're going to have 840 divided by 4. 4 can go into 8 2 times. 4 can go into 4 once. And 4 can't go into 0. So we have positive 210. Okay, number 3. Negative 36 is going to go inside the house. 1.6 is going to be our divisor. It goes outside the house. The signs are different. So the answer is going to be negative. Or there is an odd amount of signs. We're going to hop it once. So we're going to hop this once. 16 can go into 36 2 times. 16 can go into 5, or 16 can go into 40. 2 times again. And then we are going to have to decimal 0. 16 can go into 80 5 times. 6 times 5 is 30. 5 times 1 is 5, plus 3 is 8. We're going to have negative 22 and 5 tenths. Let's take a look at number 4. 734.8 is going to go inside the house. Negative 1.67 is going to go outside the house. We're going to hop it over 2 places, so we have to hop the dividend over 2 places. Alright, so we are going to, the signs are different. So the answer is going to be negative. Alright, so we are going to divide 167 into 734. We're going to go 4 times. 4 times 7 is 28. 4 times 6 is 24. Plus 2 is 26. 4 times 1 is 4. Plus 2 is 6. So we have 668. We have 14 minus 8 will get me 6. I'm going to have to borrow again. 12 minus 6 is 6. Bring down the 8. Goes in there again 4 times. And lastly, 167 can't go into 0. So we have negative 440. Alright, let's take a look at the last one. Freddie used 6.7 gallons of gas to drive 155.25 miles. What was his car's mileage? So we want miles per gallon. So 155 and 2500ths divided by 6.75. 155 is going to go inside the house. 6 and 7500ths goes outside the house. We're going to have to hop it twice. Hop it twice. Alright, so 155.25 divided by 6.75. We're going to go about 2 times. So 2 times 5 is 10. 2 times 7 is 14. Plus 1 is 15. 2 times 6 is 12. Plus 1 is 13. So we're going to try 2 times. We get 2, 0, 2. Then we're going to bring down our 5. We're going to try 3 times. 3 times 5 is 15. 3 times 7 is 21. Plus 1 is 22. 6 times 3 is 18. Plus 2 is 20. So that's going to go in there nice and even. So we have 23 miles per gallon.